My wife told my affair partner, "I'd rather be 80-year-old me than 20-year-old you," and it haunts me every day. My wife and I were high school sweethearts. We are both 40 and have been together for 25 years. We have 2 children together, 5 and 6. For the past 5 years, I have thought that we are together because we basically grew up together. I met my now girlfriend, 28, I know I'm 12 years older, but I met her at work. She is beautiful and attractive and I thought she was this new change I wanted. Instead of breaking it off with my ex and do the right thing, I cheated and I got caught. My wife was so gracious about it. She didn't want us to be together anymore. This was a year ago and I left our house and rented an apartment. We have yet to start the divorce process, although I don't want to. Neither of us was talking about it. My girlfriend, however, is not so happy about this, mainly because I left our big house that's originally my house, to my wife and daughters. I inherited the property from my grandparents and it is worth a fortune right now. My girlfriend means that it is my family home and for me, yes it is. My family is living there. But my girlfriend meant that when we get divorced, my wife has no claim to the house. 3 weeks ago my girlfriend and I were dropping our daughters with their mother, and my girlfriend went against my wishes and started talking to my wife about the house. My wife was confused and said that the house is hers and her daughter's, and she looked at me all confused, but my girlfriend told her that it was mine, and it was time to move on. My wife then said that my girlfriend shouldn't put her nose in other people's business. My girlfriend became angry and said that my wife is a hag who is bitter because she's old. My wife smiled and said, "Is your age your only redeeming quality? Because that won't last." Then she said that she would rather be 80-year-old herself than 20-year-old my girlfriend. She wasn't angry or bitter. She isn't old either. She is 40, like me. Am I so old according to my girlfriend? She's very beautiful too. I don't know what my girlfriend was thinking. I felt so ashamed and angry with myself. My girlfriend was immature and embarrassing. I have been unhappy for months now, but if I broke it off it means that I have hurt my family for nothing. My wife called me the next day and said that maybe we should start talking about divorce. I broke down crying the moment we ended the call. Now every time I see her I want to be in her arms and cry. Just thinking about 80-year-old her with 80-year-old me beside her. The way we envisioned ourselves every time we saw an elderly couple holding hands or kissing, and we thought this will be us too. I realized I'd rather have 80-year-old her than 20-year-old anyone, but I have messed that up.